Heavy riders, and thanks for joining me today. So the kind people at Andromeda Moto have sent me the new Neptune jacket and trousers combination adventure suit to try out. So as you can see, this is a great looking bit of kit, proper adventure bike gear. And we're going to go over some of the features. Let's see your trousers. So, starting off, I had my first ride with them today, and honestly, from the get-go, they felt really good, really comfortable. Yeah, straight away there was no adjustment needed. They fitted like a glove pretty much straight away. But there are lots of adjusters all around the suit, so you can tailor it to your body shape. There, and also on the side of the trousers here. Also to note that the trousers do zip up to the jacket as well. So I rode this morning in 8 to 10 degrees, but the wind chill was biting and it felt much colder. So, and honestly, with all the layers in, I actually felt too hot even. So yeah, no complaints with the warmth of the jacket. In the winter, I always wear a Kai's heated jacket anyway. So, but in the autumn and the spring now, this is pretty much perfect as it is. So, what should we go with first? So, there's I've got my little notes here. So the layers are as follows. In order from outside to the inside, this is from Andromeda themselves. You got the super fabric outer, which is like the hard dark grey fabric that is made of ceramic beads. So that is in the high impact areas. So I presume, there you go. You can clearly see that. That's your super fabric. Also, you got the Cordura main fabric as well, which is standard textile gear. The waterproof layer is inside here, and you got the thermal layer just here. So as you can try and show you on there, you can see like the different layers there, and it's the same on the trousers. So this is a proper all-season adventure bike jacket and trousers. So trying to show you, you get the gist. There's the layers there. Quality zips, all YKK zips. In terms of certification, they're not yet certified, but excuse me, they're not yet certified, but Andromeda claim that they're expected to achieve a level AA, which is pretty good for a textile jacket and trousers. And there's level 2 protectors in 5 areas, like the back, shoulders, elbows, hips and knees. So that's good to know. There are many other details on the suit as we'll go through now. Air vents. You got air vents galore. I mean, it's literally air vent city. There's a brilliant one here. Actually, I'm going to show you this now before I forget. That, as it stands, is a nice pocket. Yeah, but it's actually, well, I'll stash the card in there. But it's actually also an air vent. So if you don't want to use it as a pocket in the summer, roll that back, and you've got an air vent there. Brilliant thinking. and zip it back up like that. That's also worth noting is that is magnetic, so that holds tightly there. No faffing about with any more Velcro than you need to. So yeah, you've got air vent there. You've got consider this the arm is all vented. I'm trying to show you. Hang on. Not going to be able to show you, but you can see daylight through it. And your air vents on the back. And then you've got your air vents on the trousers as well. There, on the front, two there. Yeah, just the two on the trousers, but that's pretty standard. So yeah, I reckon this will be pretty decent in the summer as well. Actually, this is going to be pretty perfect for the UK weather, really. When 1 minute it's sunny like this, and 1 minute it changes and it rains. Yeah, just so they do tell me that yeah, this is designed to be worn open like that as well, so you can just close it with a Velcro. They also have heat sealed zips, which is another great feature. And as I said earlier, they are YKK, so top quality. Same with the trousers. They've got the air vents and they are heat sealed zips. And then you got the pockets. Let's go through the pockets. Oh, before another little genius bit before I forget as well. Why don't more manufacturers do this? Your collar is magnetic, so it doesn't just hang and get caught. So you can actually ride with that open as well. And it's the closure system on the front here is magnetic as well, and you've got two positions, so you can have it tighter or looser. And tried it earlier, it works really well actually. That's a great fastening system for the collar. So where are we? Pockets. You have got pockets everywhere. I mean, you can lose stuff in here. So got one pocket here, which I've got my wallet in. Big pocket there. There's another one behind where got my earplugs. Well, now you got the aforementioned pocket on the chest, and on the left hand side here you've also got a little stash here. You can put some change in or something, like that Andromeda logo just there. And on the back here also appears to be another pocket. You can zip, stash a few bits in here. So that's your jacket. So what about the pockets on the trousers? Well, again, you got one here, plenty deep enough for a phone. That's your, sorry, that's a vent, and then you got one on your leg. Just there. And the same on the other side. So this is easily the most practical jacket and trousers I've ever owned. I also love the fastening system on this. The fastening system on my Rucker KLX 2.0 is Velcro, and I hate it. It's rubbish, and really doesn't befit the price I paid for it. This is so much better. Clip like that. Yeah, great fastening system. And obviously you zip it up to to your jacket, and there's no chance of falling down. The trousers are a little bit baggy on me, so they are a little bit large. This is a size large. I'm 5'10", so you'd probably get away with a medium if you're similar size as me. But I personally like a baggy fit anyway. So, and when you're on the bike, when I'm actually on the bike earlier, the fit was actually perfect. Everything was in the right place. The legs rode up a bit, and the armour felt like it was right on the knees correctly. And you also got the hip armour here as well. That felt like it was in the right place. So yeah, it's a bit of a baggy fit for me, but I like it that way. And to be honest, I would probably stick to a large unless I could try a medium for size. So yeah, all zips are like okay. I've been through that. Also, we've been through the adjustable waist, arm and hip straps. Okay, so where are we now? So you got reflectors on the logos, so they'll be reflective, which is what you want when you ride in the dark. Yeah, so as always with Andromeda, everything is 100% vegan. The labels are all synthetic leather. Obviously, all the materials, there's no animal products whatsoever. And Andromeda are a truly ethical company, a lovely company to deal with. So yeah, I'm happy, to recommend them to anyone who's looking for motorbike clothing, vegan or not. The approximate price of the jacket and trousers combined will be £870 in the UK, which, some people may think that's a lot of money, but you've got a lot of kit here. I mean, you've got 4 jackets in one, because this is going to be brilliant in the winter with all the windproof layers, and it's going to be lovely in the summer when you take all that out, open all those large vents. As you can see here, unzip that. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can pretty much see through the jacket there. There's another pocket here actually. More inside, and there's one on the inside of the windproof layer as well. So no matter what layers you got on, there's always plenty of storage. So I think that's about it for the first going over of the Andromeda Neptune jacket and trousers. If you've got any questions about this combination, just shout out in the comments, and I'll answer as best I can. Okay guys, so I'm out on the Tigress, and I'm wearing the Andromeda Neptune jacket and trousers. So what did they feel like on the bike? In a word, really nice. Absolutely incredible. It was hovering between 8 and 9 degrees earlier, and I'll be honest, with all the linings in, bear in mind there's also a bitterly cold wind, so it actually felt more like 5 or 6 degrees, and I was actually too hot. Someone said I had to open some vents, and yeah, so on the bike it all feels really nice. This is one super comfortable jacket and trousers. I originally thought the trousers were a little bit long, and they are when I'm walking about, but on the bike you're not going to be able to see here, but they ride up perfectly, and the armour is in the perfect position as well. So yeah, on the bike it all makes sense. I'd say in terms of fit, I sent my measurements to Andromeda, and what they sent me the large jacket and I can't remember the trousers, but basically it all fits really nice. It's not restrictive, even with all these layers on, with the 3 layers on. Even with the inner layers, it just doesn't feel restrictive at all. I'm really comfortable, and it feels like all the armour feels like it's in the right position. So yeah, I have to say I am seriously impressed. Nothing feels uncomfortable. I was a bit worried that my gloves wouldn't fit underneath the cuffs at first, but no, they fit absolutely perfectly. There's so much adjustability that it just isn't a problem. The trousers feel nice, and the armour isn't rubbing on my knees or anything like they can do on some motorbike trousers. And it's currently 11.5 degrees, but the wind is really cold, and again I'm perfectly comfortable. I've got no complaints whatsoever. The neck, the collar is not rubbing on my neck at all. That's one issue I have with the Andromeda Neowise jacket. And it feels like there's just enough room under there to fit a buff. Honestly, I'm so impressed with this jacket and trousers set. If you'd have told me these were made by a premium manufacturer like Rucker, I would believe you. Genuinely, I'm not making this up. I'm not saying this just to make myself look good to Andromeda. They've told me I can say what I want. I'm free to review them as I wish. So yeah, absolute total thumbs up on the road for the Andromeda Neptune jacket and trousers. Over and out.